Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a what fits slash what's in my bag for the Gucci Super Mini Dionysus. I also wanted to do a little review. So I recently did the unboxing video and I've had it for a few days, and so I was actually considering returning it because of the size, and I just really wanted a bag and really wanted to make it work. So I wanted to show y'all why I decided to keep it and how I made it work. So I did get an organizer in, and it's for I got it off of Amazon. I'll have it linked below, and it provides a lot of structure for the bag. And so with this, I can put my cards in here, so I don't need a wallet, although I was able to get the card holder to fit with other items because I actually just ended up removing the keychain that comes with it. And so if you think that you can't fit anything in here, that's something that I noticed in my initial video, was that, you know, that like takes a lot of room. You get a lot of real estate once that is out. So I'm actually able to fit my key in here with other items, and it'll close as well. So I wanted to show y'all just the organizer in general, because this was like $15 on Amazon. I think I got it on sale for $12, and you're able to put cards in here. I don't really know what you could put in these slots because they're so small. Maybe if you have like tickets for something. But here's my Gucci card holder, and you can fit that in here with, I have a pretty bulky X3 key and this little chunky clip that I want to keep on, but they both actually fit in here because I was able to remove that keychain, because before I couldn't really put anything over here because of the keychain. So if you're debating on keeping it, or if you're trying to make more room in here, highly recommend just removing it. That does prevent you from being able to use it to make it a shoulder bag, although I'm sure there's other ways that you could probably do it, but I personally don't really need that functionality. I like using longer bags, and I generally don't double up. So for me, it's perfectly fine, and I'm glad that I have the room to fit everything that I need. So yeah, here's my key in here, card holder, and this is how I generally plan to use it. I don't think I'll be able to put my phone in here still, but for me, again, that's fine. I am using this generally on days, or whenever I need to put my phone in here. As I mentioned in my last video, it's generally me for events where I'm not driving, so I don't need to bring my key. And I've noticed that I don't really bring my key to a lot of places, but just for fun, let's put the phone in here. And again, this is the 14 Pro, not the Max. You cannot fit a Max in here. And I have my card holder, and we have the key with a little thing in there. And I don't think it's going to fit. It won't close, so it will close, of course, without it. Actually, I wonder, because this organizer is a little thick, how it'll work without it. Ooh, so it does fit without the organizer. So I might actually not use the organizer, because if I can get these 3 items in here, yeah, I am not going to keep the organizer. And with that, I don't intend on selling the bag. And since I would only use this as a card holder, it doesn't make sense to really keep it. And yeah, I'm not going to keep the organizer. I really love that I can keep everything that I need in here. And again, it's because I was able to remove that keychain. So something to keep in mind when you get this bag is, if you're okay with using it with the long strap, you can fit a lot more in here. Without the key, let's kind of experiment as well. So I brought a lip gloss, purse spray, and we have a compact mirror. So if you want to have your phone in here, maybe no wallet. Oh, actually, I brought my card holder from Apple to experiment. So we have this because I use that in the clutch a lot. So let's put the card holder on the phone, and so you'll be able to keep your ID and stuff in here, and then everything's on your phone. Well, then yeah, you can put a lot in here, and then with that light up you can see a little bit more on placement. Let's see how these items fit. Well, you wouldn't be able to close it. I think the purse spray is just a little too thick for this combination. Really, I think what it is you're gonna have to like experiment to see what exactly you want to bring or need to bring and what fits. But yeah, that is a little follow-up on the Gucci Super Mini Dionysus and how I'm going to use it. It's going to be phone, card holder, and key for me, and I'm excited to be able to keep it because this is something that I really wanted, as I mentioned in that initial video, and I'm happy that I was able to find a way to make it work. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.